Ever feel like you're building your personal brand all alone? Creating content, designing visuals, editing videos, and it's just too much. What if I told you there are free AI tools doing all of this in seconds for you? In this video, I'll show you 5 insanely powerful free AI tools you can start using today to build and grow your personal brand faster than ever in 2025. And the best part, you don't need a team, just you and these tools. First up is ChatGPT. Think of it as your personal content strategist. You can ask it to write Instagram captions, YouTube video scripts, email newsletters, even entire blog posts. It helps you beat writer's block and stay consistent without burning out. Just type a prompt like, write 5 LinkedIn posts to grow my personal brand as a designer, and it'll give you quality content in seconds. Next is Canva's AI tools, and they're seriously game-changing. With Magic Design, you can turn text into full graphics. Want a professional YouTube thumbnail? Done. Need a carousel post for Instagram? Just describe it and Canva generates everything. Even if you have 0 design skills, you'll look like a pro. Third is Notion AI, your personal brand manager. You can use it to plan your content calendar, outline your goals, brainstorm ideas, all with AI support built in. It's not just a note-taking app, it's like a productivity assistant that helps you stay on track and organized. Fourth is CapCut AI. This free mobile and desktop video editor now has AI tools that let you add subtitles, background music, transitions, and even auto-cut clips in seconds. It's perfect if you're making short-form content for TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts. No editing skills needed. Just drop your clips and let CapCut do the rest. And number 5 is Leonardo AI. This tool creates stunning images and graphics just from text prompts. Whether you need a YouTube thumbnail, brand banner, or social media post, Leonardo gives you high-quality custom visuals that make your brand look polished and unique. Type something like futuristic YouTube thumbnail with bold branding, and boom, you've got it. Here's a bonus tip. Don't just use one tool. Combine them. For example, use ChatGPT to write, Canva to design, CapCut to edit, and Leonardo to create visuals. And suddenly, you're a one-person brand machine. These tools are free, fast, and ridiculously powerful if you use them right. So let me ask you, which one are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe to Brand Builder, where we turn personal brands into real businesses. See you in the next one.